Hi guys, I'm back. And as you can see, I have a painting here. It's an old painting. I don't like it at all. It's been sitting around the house for probably, I don't know, at least a year. I don't think I even did a video on it. So I've been holding on to it, trying to decide if I like it or not. I really don't like it, so I'm going to paint over it today. So we're going to take just what leftover paint we've got and run it down the painting here and see if we can stretch it to the very edges. I don't know if I have enough paint left over for this. So if it won't stretch far enough, what we'll do is let it dry and then cut it up for pieces of pendants, which is what I do with a lot of failed paintings, because a lot of failed paintings have some super pretty spots in them, so you never know. And again, none of my paints have silicone in them. Same colors I've used for the last 3 paintings. So let's see, what are we going to start with? Let's start with some purple. And we're just going to pour it all in there. I'm going to try to avoid using this. I've got a little bit of paint sitting here with a little bit of silicone. I don't want to accidentally put it in there. It really is not much paint, so we'll see. It's even less paint than I realized it was. But oh well. There's probably going to be a lot of purple in this painting because that's mostly what I have left is purple. Pour some more white in there. This is definitely, it'll be amazing if it makes it all the way to the end of this painting. If it stretches far enough. I don't think that it will. Let's do, I don't know, some more purple. Whoa. I'm got a little bit in the white there, but not any in the other colors. That's amazing. Well, let's do some yellow first. Like I said, this painting's gonna be mostly purple because that's mostly what I have left. Apologize for my dog barking out there. There's one of the neighbor kids. He likes to hang out at the fence line and hope that the girls go out and play with him. And he likes to antagonize the dog sometimes, which of course gets on my nerves. And if I wasn't painting right now, I'd go out and ask him to stop antagonizing the dog. Okay, let's see. Let's go with the rest of the pink. Get it all in there. And then I think we do not have any yellow left, but we're going to try and scrape out just the last teeny tiny little bit because we definitely need it. This paint gets so sticky on these gloves. I don't know why, but it does. Alright, I'll hold on to that last little bit there. Still got a little bit of blue left in there, so we're going to hold on to that. Put some more white in there. Some more, oh, let's do this orange. Coral is such a pretty color. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Do some purple on top of that. Then let's go for the rest of this green. Oops. No matter. the rest of the white in there. We have no green left. We have, let's do the orange, the rest of the orange. Got a little bit of orange left in here. Whoops. Glad it's not a painting, right? Let's do the rest of this blue. And the rest of the purple. There's quite a bit of paint there. We may have enough stretch. Okay, let's move this out of the way. Now we have 3 wet paintings on this table, so keep your fingers crossed that we do not dump the paint or touch any of the other paintings on this painting. Okay, so we're going to do sort of a tilt it one way, tilt it the other way, tilt it back again. It's all just kind of running over itself because of the fact that the canvas is not wet, which I wasn't really thinking about. Oh, it's totally running over itself. Okay, well, all the pretty kind of ran over itself. Now we're left with really mostly just green and purple. Not a real pretty combination. Okay. Well, let's see what we can. I'm going to use this little bit of paint that I have. It's got silicone in it, but I'm going to use it anyway, just so I can get the paint. Yeah. The canvas wet here. And last but not least, okay, this is going to work out well, I can tell. Let's use a bigger paddle. Okay, that's my oven going off. Cookies are done. I'll move it this way so I can get away from those.
Those are done.
Those are done. Okay guys, if you will wait just a second, I've got to get cookies out of the oven. So, open the oven up for me.
Sure.
There
Don't
we go.
get paint on my cookies.
You sure they're done?
I'm 100%.
Oh, I don't know if
There.
we're done. Okay, there you go. Turn the oven off. Thank you. Okay, sorry guys. Family calls. Okay, let's see if we can. Oh, this is so ugly right now. But it's all wet. So with that silicone, I hope it's not going to destroy the painting. It's probably going to come up through the lines we've got there, but we'll see. Okay, We're going to come down this way.
I do not think these are done, but oh well, I like cookies like that, I guess.
You can always put them back in the oven.
Well, definitely not done.
Do you want to put them back in the oven?
Nah. I'm good.
Okay.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. This has a slight hope for looking okay, but not much. Just kind of going back and forth, seeing what we can do. Just gonna keep moving it around. Don't want to lose any of that paint though, because we need it. Don't want to lose too much of it. Okay, there's that corner. Sort of missing that. Oh, there we go. Cut the edge of it. Okay, now we need to go back. So there's other paintings over there. I'm watching them. Now we need to go back towards this corner. Get this corner done here. Meanwhile, trying to hold it off of the other paintings. See, when you don't have cells on your painting, you can kind of make it go wonky all over the place and it'll look cool. You can't really do that with cells on there because cells in it, when they go wonky, it's like crud. They're not attractive. There we go. Okay. So now let's move it down. It's not actually looking too bad right now. There we go. Gotta get that paint off that down the edge. Well, it's definitely mostly purple. We lost all those other pretty colors, unfortunately. But they were sacrificed for the good of the cause. Now we need to come back off of this corner over here before we get the other one, I think. No, maybe not. Maybe we do need to come off of this corner. Alright, I'm going to turn this around. Sorry, guys. Keep an eye on the other paintings. We're doing pretty good. Sorry you can't see this a whole lot. Take it off of this edge here. This lower edge, and then we're going to go towards the other side. And hopefully we've got enough paint to come back with. There we go. Okay, now back the other way. There we go. This is the part I can't really see. Really, I'm just making sure I've got it away from the other paintings at this point. Come on. Come on. It does not want to come down. There's just not quite enough paint. It'll make it though. It'll make it. See, we're getting there. Definitely not nearly as cool as that first one that I did a while back, the one that really turned into rainbow. It was pretty cool, but come on. I don't want to bang it on the table, but we may have to. Get it to come on that last little bit. We're almost there. Oh, it's excruciating. Come on. Come on. did do a drip
Sorry,
on that one.
Mom.
Great. I figured that was going to happen. Well, that's what I get, right? Okay, there we go. Like we got it. No, we're so close to that corner. But I'm going to leave it before I touch another painting. It's not too bad. I definitely like it better than what I had on the canvas before. Okay, that's going to be it. All the paints are gone. The ugly has been painted over with a not too bad. Okay, there we go. That's going to be it. Let's take a look at that corner over there. I think that corner actually got covered. All right. I kind of like it. It's a little dark, and it's mostly purple and green, but if you like purple and green, you ought to like this one. Okay, give you just a quick close-up of all the just the stripy prettiness. Really quite interesting the way all the colors come into each other. I like that area, looks kind of watercolory. And I know watercolory is not a word, but we're artistic. We can have artistic license with our words, right? Did you see what I did there? Yeah. That looks kind of cool. There's a little bit of orange peeking out. I don't know where all the orange went to. Bummer. It's one of my favorite colors, that coral color. Alright guys, there's your pretty for today. I hope you like it. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. And thank you for supporting my channel in whatever ways that you do. I appreciate each and every one of you watching all the ads for me, subscribing to my channel. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe. We do lots of different things around here. I think it's about time to do something different and cool. And cool doesn't always mean cool. It usually means like really messed up and I don't know, wonky. But that's okay. Alright, so thank you for everything you guys are doing for my channel. And don't forget to subscribe and like and share. And watch the ads for me. And wherever you're on the planet, I hope you're happy and healthy and taking care of each other. I love you all. See you later. Bye.